Hey guys, it's Ryball here. Today I'm going to give you a quick rundown on the electrical system in my pop-top caravan. Let's have a look. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. That would be super appreciated. Thank you. One thing I want to say before I jump into this is that getting your power right for your caravan is very important. I have in the past had lots of problems. There's nothing worse than getting out on the road, camping, setting up, and then 1 or 2 days into it, you find you're having power troubles and you can't run everything that you want to run. So I have done that before, where you're drawing too much off the battery and not putting enough in, and you end up damaging your batteries and it costs you money. So get it right from the start. So I'm just going to show you what I've done here in the caravan. Let's have a look under the front bed, which is where I've got my batteries and most of the electrics. So starting here at the bed at the front of the caravan, just lift that up. You can see I've got my slide out kitchen, which you've probably seen before in other videos. Right here we have our 120 amp hour AGM batteries, so they're both sealed, and that's plenty of power for this caravan. I'm not drawing too much. Most of it's just little 12 volt lights and things like that. So straight down there, which isn't on at the moment, that's a 30 amp DC to DC charger, so that charges off the car charges those batteries as we're driving along. It's also got a solar input, so I've got a 160 watt solar panel on the roof, so that tops up the batteries when we're out camping and stopped for a few days. Over on the sidewall there, you can see I got a 1500 watt power inverter. That's from King's 4x4 Super Center. That there is my 240 volt battery charger, so that's just keeping the batteries topped up when we're plugged into power. Over the back here, that is the back of my little switch panel on the front side. So this is most of my my lights and things in the caravan. So that one there switches on a light which is just underneath the door outside, so it lights up the ground when you're stepping out at night. It also has a little light here to light up underneath the bed so I can see. That's my water pump switch. I've got the work lights at the rear of the van. I've got work lights at the front of the van. And then this one here is for outside lights, which I haven't hooked up just yet, but that's what that one's going to be used for. And then there, I've got my double USB socket. I've got my voltage meter there. I can check the battery levels. And then another 12 volt socket right there. So where I've positioned that switch there on the side is right next to the door, so you can easily reach in from outside and flick on the lights front and back in the van, or the outside lights. So just running through some of the electrical items in the caravan, I have 2 of these Sirocco fans, which are fantastic. They work really good. 3 speeds on those. It also has timing switch, so you can set a timer for those to turn off when you want them to turn off at night. I have 12 volt lights on the inside here. So over the kitchen bench, that one there, and then one at the front. So that's operated by this little light switch here. A lot of the wiring that we did was pre-wired before we did the outside of the caravan, so we're able to run all of those external wires through externally to make it a lot easier to feed them through to where we wanted them. That's the other the other Sirocco fan at the back there. Each bed also has these little touch lamps, which I bought on eBay. Got little 12 volt sockets there, so you can plug your phone in to charge. They all have those. So that's those front and back. So the fridge is the only other thing running off 12 volt at the moment. It's a 3-way fridge, so gas 240 volt or 12 volt. All the 240 volt stuff I had expertly done at Abco Caravans here in Coffs Harbour. The 12 volt stuff, Floyd and I did all that ourselves. So that's 12 volt pump, feeds out to my kitchen. It's getting super windy out here. I'm about to get blown away, I think. On the outside of the van, got a little 12 volt socket just there. Got a 10 amp power outlet. Just on the driver's side of the van at the front here, I've got another 12 volt socket. So that's just in case we need a power on this side of the van, I've got a socket there. So this is just the 160 watt solar panel I've got mounted to the roof. I got this one because it's a lot lighter. I've just got a sheet of core flute under there. Helps it breathe and keep cooler. And then it's all taped, double-sided taped underneath it. Heavy outdoor stuff, so it won't fly away anywhere. And that really is about it. Not a lot to this fan. Like I said, most of the wiring was done before we did the outside sheeting, which made it really easy. We could run those wires exactly where we wanted to get them. you know, it's not drawing a lot of power. There's no major power consumers in this van. It's all just 12 volt lights and things like that, a couple of fans. So it's pretty straightforward. Those two 120 watt amp hour batteries are more than enough to cover the needs of this van, and that 160 watt solar panel on the roof is plenty to keep it topped up. Anyway guys, if you've got any questions about what I've done here in this van, drop us a comment below. Happy to answer them and help out if we can. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, that would be awesome, and we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye.